curtain wall is a type of wall that is created with a grid pattern defined rather than as a set of layered elements. Curtain walls can be placed into the project using the Wall tool. Use the type selector to select a curtain wall type to place. We're adding a curtain wall to the entry, so the top constraint is set to 3000 millimeters in the Properties palette. The 3-point arc tool is selected from the draw panel, and an arc-shaped wall is added at the entry. Curtain walls can also be embedded into another wall. Select the Line Segment tool from the draw panel. Now add embedded curtain walls as storefront windows. On the Properties palette, set the base offset to 500 millimeters and the unconnected height to 2000 millimeters. Now place the curtain walls directly on top of the existing exterior walls, using the reference planes as guides for positioning. You can see in the 3D view, the curtain walls have cut holes for themselves in the exterior wall. The grid pattern of a curtain wall is a type parameter. We want a horizontal mullion in the embedded curtain walls that aligns with the reveal on the exterior wall. Select one of the embedded curtain walls and click Edit Type. In the Type Properties dialog, first duplicate the type and give the new type a name. Now change the spacing for the horizontal grid to 1200 millimeters. Then the other embedded curtain walls are changed to use the new type. Doors are not placed in curtain walls in the same way doors are placed into basic walls. A curtain wall door is a special panel that replaces a typical curtain wall panel. Position the cursor near the panel to be replaced and use the Tab button to highlight the panel, and then click to select it. If the panel is pinned, click to unpin the panel. Now, on the Type selector, choose the curtain wall door family. The panel is replaced with the door. Now position the cursor near the bottom mullion of the door, and again use Tab to highlight the mullion and click to select it. Unpin and delete it. The door panel is resized to fill the gap. Repeat the process for the other door and delete the mullions as needed. In Plan, the doors function like other doors, and flip arrows are used to orient them correctly in the open.